if you've seen my videos before, you might have seen me wearing one of these. Now, this one is actually my better one, and as you can see, it's getting, oh god, it's getting a little worn out there. Oh shoot. And I've been wanting to get a new one since my last Tanzania trip. This is actually my better one. You can see this one is even more worn out. But these are one of my favorite items of clothing, and I just ordered some new ones and am really excited to unbox this package with you. And I really think that this item of clothing is essential for nature journalers or for anyone else that's traveling. I've taken them on safari in Tanzania, and I've taken them with me to the Amazon, and these are these Buff brand neck gaiters, and you can wear them a whole bunch of different ways. They are 100% merino wool, which is amazing in its adaptability. So I have literally worn these in 90, 100 degree weather, and I've also worn them in much colder weather. And if you need to, you can always layer a thicker scarf on top of these. But the amazing thing is they're just a simple tube. They're made out of merino wool, so they don't start smelling bad. You could even blow your nose in here if you really needed to. I've used them as a dust mask. You can make this into a balaclava in case you're really cold or want to be a ninja. Very easy to do that. See, you can make it so there's plenty of room for your eyes. I often weed whack or use a chainsaw while wearing this, and it keeps the sawdust out of my face. You can also make it into a cap, a variety of caps that can be keeping your head warm, or maybe, you know, like I recently cut my hair and my hat no longer fits, or helmets or things like that, and you can easily put this on underneath a helmet, keep your ears warm, keep your head warm, and add a little bit of extra padding. Then if you want, like I often have more than one of these, so what I'll do is I could wear one on my head and still wear one on my neck. And as they get broken in a little bit, you can have ones for different times of year. Like I often like to have a new one and an older one at the same time. The other extremely handy thing about these Buffs is when you're traveling, you can use them for sleeping. So I use them even at home actually for sleeping. I will often just put this like that, put my earplugs in. They help keep my earplugs in, and I am ready to sleep on the plane, in a bus, wherever. So being able to so easily create a sleep mask like that is amazing. So these Buffs, they are still made in Spain. The company is Spanish. They're 100% merino wool. I have very sensitive skin, and this stuff doesn't bother me at all. So it's really quality soft merino wool, and they come in a variety of colors. You can also get these in polypropylene or other polyester, other synthetic fabrics, but I prefer this wool, and I've used it in the tropics, in the mountains, all over the place. So something that I think as a nature journaler or anyone traveling or an outdoor enthusiast, you should definitely have a Buff.